Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play U.S. planes in War Thunder. American aircraft excel with powerful engines and robust airframes, making them formidable at higher altitudes. Your primary goal is to maintain speed and altitude, using these advantages to dictate engagements. Focus on vertical maneuvers and quick passes rather than extended turning fights. This approach maximizes their inherent strengths. Iconic U.S. planes each offer distinct advantages. The P-51 Mustang, for instance, is a superb high-altitude interceptor, perfect for swift hit-and-run attacks. The F-4U Corsair excels in diving attacks, using its sturdy airframe to withstand high G-forces. Meanwhile, the P-47 Thunderbolt boasts 8 50-caliber machine guns, making it devastating for quick passes and ground attack. Energy fighting is paramount for U.S. pilots. Always strive to maintain an altitude advantage of at least 1,000 meters above your enemies. Initiate attacks from above, diving to gain speed, delivering a burst of fire, and then immediately climbing back to altitude. This boom and zoom strategy prevents you from losing valuable energy in prolonged turning engagements, which typically favor other nations' aircraft. Effective teamwork and situational awareness are crucial for success. Always communicate with your squad to coordinate attacks and defensive maneuvers. Continuously scan your surroundings, especially your 6 o'clock, to detect incoming threats early. Prioritize high-value targets, such as bombers or enemy fighters that are isolated or low on energy. This collective effort significantly increases your chances of victory.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.